Hello friends, as always, I'm here with you. I'm the trader. Look, today is a day off, and as you know, the stock markets are not operating right now on the Pocket Option Exchange. So, let's take a look today. I want to trade on OTC and at the same time answer the question, do OTC quotes work on weekends? That is, can you make money on OTC quotes and how do you actually work with them? I will be using a bot from Radio. I don't know if I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video or not. But in principle, most likely, you'll be able to find it somewhere yourself. Let's get started right away. Let's start trading from the very beginning. I'm typing USD and looking for the currency pair I want to trade. For example, right now I selected the USD bot, but as you can see, for USD, here, on our exchange, we have a very, very low profitability. So we only get 60% if the trade is successful, so it's in our interest to find the highest possible yield and take as much as we can from it. Plus, for example, a trade on another currency pair can yield up to 92% profit. Let's open it now. It'll take us 3 seconds, and that's exactly where we'll start our video. Again, friends, we're doing this together and with you. That's why here we can open with the maximum amount. We can urgently invest not very large sums in a trade, since our trades are also short term. Look, on the first trade, we took a loss. Now I'm going to cover that loss with the next currency pair. I'm confident that this time we'll be taking profit very soon. A profitable result, for example, in this or the next trade, and we'll easily be able to cover our losses. Unfortunately, as you can see, trading isn't going the best way so far, but I think, friends, I'm sure it will even out without any problems, so I'm entering Euro Czech. And now let's enter on this particular currency pair, Euro Czech, so here we find Euro Czech. Let's open a position for 3 seconds and keep hitting it for 3 seconds each time. So what we're doing, as you can see, is choosing the expiration time, and then we enter based on that. I accidentally opened 2 trades like a fool, and they ended up with negative results. Okay. Well, the situation isn't great, so now we need to find out how to get out of this somehow. Let's find this currency pair and try to enter a trade on it now. We wait for a 3-second expiration time and open a trade downwards. This one should be a sure thing, and it's impossible not to recover the loss. Yes, that's exactly what I was saying. Okay, we actually started the video in not the best way, because we began with several losses in a row, but now I want to demonstrate to you that it was just a random occurrence, and as I keep trading, you'll see that I can actually make money with this bot. And by opening trades upwards in an uptrend, I end up making a profit. So as you can see, there's absolutely nothing complicated or difficult about working here, which basically means it can work perfectly every single time you try it. So my friends, if you truly want to use it for yourself, it really won't be any trouble at all. Absolutely nothing to worry about. This bot will make things very easy for you. Sorry, I decided to yawn. I think it's no big deal. Let's move on and open a trade, for example, on USD and see what happens with this currency. Again, I'm just going for it, just trading, and you can see how I'm making money. This isn't my personal bot, but I personally trade with it and make profits. You can see results like these. In this video, we got trades like these, and in fact, this is already, my friends, a pretty good start. Let's go for Gaviar, or just take it and get signal. We'll do the same thing. So we wait and open a trade upwards, in the upward direction for this trade. A loss is no problem. Let's cover our losses on Euro. Let's use it. So my friends, this trading bot is really incredibly cool. Because right here in this interface, we can easily trade using absolutely any currency pair at all that you can imagine across the entire market. Or like right now, I'm trading crypto, so we can basically do whatever we want. Now I want to enter with a 15-second expiration time because there's a top icon here, which tells us that this expiration time is actually the best option for the bot. I'm going to increase the amounts so I can win back what I just lost for you. This trade is also for extra money on top, so let's go ahead and open a position on Melkovin. I'm really sleepy, so I apologize if my voice sounds a bit tired. I think, in principle, that's not a big problem for you. Because no matter how you look at it, you can see that we're also locking in a profit on Bitcoin. As a result, in this video, I made almost $200 in net profit, which in my opinion is an excellent and genuinely satisfying result. That's all for now, friends. If you want to see more videos like this, if you enjoy them, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. As for me, I'll continue trading with the bot now. If you're interested in it, let me know in the comments, write about it in the comments. I'll share a link to this bot, but once again, please don't get confused. I am not the owner, co-owner, or anything like that. I'm just an ordinary subscriber, a user of the bot, a person who wants and dreams of making money through trading. That's why I'm simply sharing this with you.